And now for an introduction of Dr. Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan, has a remarkable public and social service background spanning over 20 years. She also has an illustrious political career in the last 2 decades where she has successfully led the state unit of a political party with noteworthy accomplishments. Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan started her career as a medical practitioner after completing her MBBS PG in gynecology. She has undertaken special training on ultrasound and fetal therapy at Toronto, Canada. She worked as an assistant professor at the Department of Gynecology at Sri Ramachandra Medical College in Chennai for 7 years and resigned in 2003 for her full-time political engagements. She nurtures great devotion towards public service and enhancement of living standards of common people with focus on health and education as a prime agenda. She has donned the hat of being a state head of a political party and steering it with exemplary management skills and pro-people service milieu. Without further ado, I now call upon our chief guest, Dr. Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan, Honorable Governor of Telangana and Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry to address the gathering.
Very special good morning to each and everyone. I first of all congratulate Shri Aditya Mehta for taking the theme of no to drugs, to drug abuse, and I really congratulate him. Because of that only, when there was a request from Aditya Mehta Foundation to attend this Infinity Ride 2021, which is going to cover 660 kilometers in 6 days. In Tamil we used to say Parandu Vando, like that we say. So I came flying from the Puducherry and flew from there to attend the program. So really, because we are busy, our Honorable Prime Minister has given an opportunity to Puducherry to celebrate the National Youth Festival there. So we were busy in organizing that. But when the request was from Aditya Mehta, I thought in between I should come, supporting him, because it's the duty of me to support him not only as a governor, as a doctor, because of the theme he has selected here. And my respects to Sri Shoguji, trustee, AMF and producer of the epic Bahubali movie. So Bahubali movie proved that nothing is impossible. So he's an apt person to come over here and to introduce the theme of drug abuse. I really congratulate your words. And when that enemies are just they became victorious over the enemies, we can be victorious over the drug abuse. And my respects to Sri Miss Lakshmi Manju. I think she has a very good communicative skill. And she told, I have to tell one story also, an experience, because I wanted to motivate. I want another thing, she wished me in Tamil. For that also I should thank her. And when I went to a tribal village to motivate the tribals to get their vaccination done, some of the people came and told, you have to come Again you have to come. The next village people came and told, you have to come. Again we expect you coming to our place. So I was very happy. So I asked, you are so much affectionate with me. So you like me so much. The other tribal lady told, no, if you are coming, only officials are coming and seeing us, and these roads are laid and water is there. So long-term pending problems have been solved because governor is coming. So for that you come. So I was very happy. So you like me so much. No, if you come only, everything is rectified. Like that they told. So whatever may be, even if it is that kind of rectification or some good things happen, I am ready to come to every place. So that we are not blaming anybody, but there are some places, in spite of the development, there are some places like that. And my respect to Shilpa Reddy, she is also continuously supporting, and she's also having a very good communicative skill, and she's regularly supporting, like Lakshmi Manchu. And she is not only a film actress, and she is not only acting, she is cycling also. So acting cum cycling, I made her very popular among the youngsters. And I have to tell our word about our S.K. Joshi ji, the advisor to Government of Telangana and the past Chief Secretary, and Echo Tea Calling, his book. I often, because as LG of Puducherry, I have an opportunity to talk with IAS officers. Without fail, I mention all the articles from his book because it is almost a guide to the bureaucrats. And really, I like it. One day I missed the book. I kept that in Chennai. Then I called him. I got the e-book and then I referred it. So it's really a very supportive book for the bureaucrats, particularly when I want to convey some good message to them, particularly the young IAS officers. I always quote this book. So I'm really very happy, and my respects to Jitendra Goyal and Mukta Ashok Jain and all the other dignitaries here, and our press friends and all the members of Aditya Mehta Group. And as I said, I congratulate you all for your efforts. And I am very happy that I inaugurated your cycling even from Puducherry to Chennai. So I am always with you. Whether it is Puducherry, whether it is Telangana, I am always with you. And my message is to the youngsters, because I am very happy, as I told, not only as a governor, as a doctor, because the theme of this Infinity Ride is no drug, that is no drug and save life. Proper use of drug for illness leads to health. Proper use of drugs for illness leads to health. Drug abuse will create illness and leads to death. This is the message I want to tell. Because as doctors, we use drugs to save their lives. But the youngsters use their drug in a wrong way and they get addicted, and that leads to death. So please say no to drugs. And drugs can give you temporary happiness, but permanent illness. Just you can think that we are taking some drug, there is no any harm effects on the body. It affects your mental attitude, it affects your physical attitude, and you become a person with physical illness, you become a person with mental illness, and what all the talents you have, everything engulfed by this bad use of drugs and this bad character. So please say no to drugs. And apart from that, I am very unhappy. Some of the drug rackets recently identified huge amount of drugs were caught by the police. And I am afraid when these drugs are used by the youngsters, I am unable to imagine the ill effects which it causes in the body of the youngsters. So please say no to drugs. It's not very simple. Mark Twain says, I quit cigarette. It's very easy to quit cigaretting. I have done for 100 times. So that type of quitting is not necessary. Once for all you should quit. But it is very difficult. I appeal the governments also to open de-addiction center in all the government hospitals. Because that should be a solution. We can advise the youngsters not to use drugs. But what to do the children who are already addicted to drugs? They are unable to reveal the matter to the parents. They are unable to reveal the matters to the teacher. But we have to save the children. So we must handle them very cautiously. We should not blame them. Without their intention, they have become addicts. So whenever we take a theme like that, the challenges also should be faced. And who are all already addicted, they should be saved from, they should be informed that trap, like a rat trap, this drug has trapped you. It has not helped you, it has trapped you. So the government, the society, the NGOs and social people, particularly celebrities like Lakshmi and celebrities like all the other people here, Shilpa, they have to come out with very good awareness programs because you are all very good in communication. And when a governor says, little people will hear. When an actor says, more people will hear. So that is the that is the reality. I am telling the reality of the society and the situation. So you have to take forward, not only through cycling, through acting also. You should take the forward the message. And I appeal the government also to introduce more de-addiction centers, particularly now the pediatric group are involved in addiction. During the school days itself, they are involved in drug abuse. So even in the pediatric center, in the adolescent center, they have to have de-addiction centers. Not only that, the people who are practice taking alcohol also. So if they want to come out from that also, they are unable to do so. Scientifically, it should be dealt, and through de-addiction centers and through psychological counseling. And here it was said that we arranged psychological counseling for all the physically abled people. But I should say you should counsel us, because we get motivated by seeing you all with all these challenges. You are cycling so many kilometers. So I am really very happy to be here. I don't want to take much of your time, and I am really sorry because I was little delayed, because directly from the airport I am coming. But anyhow, I am really very happy to participate in this program. And again, I congratulate not only Aditya Mehta and all the participants who are going to cycle the 660 kilometers in 6 days. My best wishes to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am.